हाँ ठीक है भैया, चलता हूँ। ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಶುಭೋದಯ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Oh my god, I don't even have a break today. There's a quarantine, I've even lost traffic break. So the setup is partially complete. Few more mounts are yet to come, so this is just a test. Look at the traffic. People have no parking sense. Let me cross the town first and then I'll talk. Okay. First things first, this is my first MotoVlog. So bear with me for the next 2 to 3 vlogs so that I get used to it. You know what to put and what not to put. Second things, I know the audio is not good. I know it's not great because for that you need an external microphone. So we'll go step by step, one step after another. So the time is around 12:08. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Now the mounting is not perfect. I know the angle because as I told, few mounts are yet to come. They are not yet delivered. So I've done a jugaad. I'm calling jugaad these days too many times. I've done a fix until that comes. So what I've done is I've hung the GoPro upside down. That is the solution I found on the internet. So yeah, so bear with me for the next 3-4 blocks until the mount arrives and you know I get used to it. Like what is the perfect what shots to include and what not, what to skip and stuff. So we're going to a place called Devanahalli. I'm taking B because you have the connectivity between you and me, that's going from Chikballapur to Devanahalli. It's been long since I rode. So I thought why not ride today. The GoPro setup and all is what I've done. I've done it with the help of my mom because I'm very bad at fixing you know the perfect alignment and stuff. So my mom is very good at that, so I've taken her help. Actually it is she who did the entire thing. People say the traffic is heavy but I don't find it. I hope this is recording. Now the audio quality is not good because what happens in a GoPro is the audio gets recorded from the front of the camera. So when you are sitting like this, obviously you will be facing the back of the GoPro. So the wind blast and that. So I hope I am audible enough until my microphone and all is completely. Again I'll be making a different video. While I got the GoPro and I was searching for how to mount the GoPro onto the helmet, fascinating things are I didn't find even one proper solution, you know, to properly fix. There are a lot of videos, but no one tells to the point. Either they deviate from the topic or you know, I've watched many famous MotoVloggers videos on how to mount GoPro on helmet. The thing is, they show is different and what they would have done on their helmet is different. Because there's quite a lot of visible difference when you watch it on their MotoVlog. People want to race. Let them go. Let's go peacefully. Again, if I cross 40 to 58, I think I won't be heard only. So yeah, let's not talk much. Let's go to Devanahalli, have some tea or coffee and then like that. Now if you watch any MotoVlogs, people will be doing this to their side mirror. Still you don't know what was that done, but that was done to see that your the thing that shows your the side screen shows whether the thing is recording or not. So that's that. Okay, I won't talk much now. Let's go. The fuel is less, so let's go to the petrol pump and let's fill up fuel. Okay, I forgot to mention the basic things. So I'm riding, as I told, I'm riding we are riding from Chikballapur to Devanahalli. Devanahalli is somewhere around 15 to 20 kilometers from here. The bike I'm riding today is the CBR 250R. Today's vlog is going to be a rough MotoVlog. This is the best video actually of how the GoPro footages look, because this is the first time I'm riding with a GoPro. I've ridden a lot, I've went on long rides, I've did long rides, but not with a GoPro. So, let me get a hang of it. So this is that ride. I thought, why not, show it to you as well. So I'll not talk much. Let's play some music or something. With this turn, I'm literally shouting. With this turn, Chikballapur ends and the highway starts. Now if you take a left from after the hump, it goes towards Hyderabad, and then if you take a right, it goes towards the Bengaluru International Airport and Bangalore and Devanahalli. Fuel always has a lot of lorries, too many lorries. Power is there? No fuel here. So there's a Shell petrol pump in Devanahalli. Let's get it filled there. Freshly tarred road. They tarred it during quarantine, I guess. They widened it a bit. So I use the same road every day. I travel, I come to college using the same route. So I know in and out of this road. And this patch that you are seeing right now is known for accidents. There is a lot of accidents on this patch. So you have to be extra careful here. They divided the road into. Now it's 12:30. I'm doing this ride or test ride in the afternoon when the sun is at the top of the head, because I just want to see how the GoPro footages look in the morning, afternoon, evening and in the night during low light. If you go that way, the road the bus is coming in, that goes to Devanahalli. I don't want to do that. Let's go in the bypass. There's a Shell petrol pump there. Let's get some fuel. And there's is this famous Paratha point. Now if you stay in and around Bangalore, you'll be knowing this place. This is the place. It's very famous for Paratha. It's known as a popular bikers point. There's a lot of bikers come on the weekends. Let's get some tea and let's get going.
बारिश हो जाएगा ऊपर अंदर पानी नहीं जाता ना
किसके अंदर? हाँ, इसके अंदर नहीं जाता. हाँ,
सही है दोनों काम हो सेफ्टी भी होगा
हाँ, पानी भी नहीं. Okay, reached the place, ordered some tea. I don't want anything else. This place is known for parathas and stuff, but I want to have them right now. Okay, the tea is here. Let's have it. The tea is good. हाँ?
कल भी छुट्टी है आज 2 दिन छुट्टी में था
हाँ. ठीक है भैया, चलता हूँ.
इधर से भी निकल सकते हो आप
हाँ? नहीं, पेट्रोल भराना है. हाँ. Sweet person. Go again. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಳಿತೀನಿ. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೇಟು. ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 10 rupee difference between normal petrol and power petrol or premium, whatever you want to call it. Listen to some music and go, and then I'll head back home and then Let me take you through the streets of Chikballapur. The intersection, honk once, honk twice, and then go. This uncle is standing in the middle of the road. Okay, we've reached the destination. That was a fun ride. So I'll end the video here. Hope you like it. This is just a raw vlog, so expect nice motor vlogs from now on. Bear with me for the next 5 to 6 videos so that I get to know what to add, what not to add and stuff. So with that said, full stop to today's vlog. Hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video. Do subscribe. Hit the bell icon for the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.